Amour Crochet.
Welcome back to my channel, Amour Crochet at your service. Today we're going to talk about, well, Native American crochet patterns. I'm not sure what the PC term is. I hope that's all right. I'm probably gonna refer to them as Indians at some point, so if you are offended by that, I do apologize in advance. Beautiful Native American Barbie, gorgeous, I don't, they're beads, I think. Beads or embroidery on top. Very, very, very beautiful. And a cute little amigurumi, little Native American girl with a little feather headband and adorable. She's gorgeous. Oh, she's very sweet. And a little close up. And here she is with her beautiful dream catcher. She's gorgeous. Yes, you are. Oh yeah, I like this one. This is full theme. These are full themed sort of Mickey Mouse ears. This is one with the Native American headdress, with the full leaves and the little ladybug, I think it's called in English. Here with the little pumpkin one. It's very sweet. So if you are a Disney fan and little tails. These are for you. You can make them into coasters or just nice, hang them on your wall or hang them on, I don't know. You can make all sorts of nice little things with these Disney Mickey Mouse ears inspired full crochet patterns. Adorable. Ah, she's beautiful. Just look at her. Gorgeous. And here she is in full glory. And well, there's nothing more really I can say about her. She is absolutely fantastic. Look at her. Look at her. I have a book holders. Yeah, I have like 1,000 pictures of beautiful hair. I love the little ruffle of her dress. Now this is a little bit more simple, but also with the off the shoulder sleeve and a little armband there. Very nice. And this is, I think, let's see if she puts it on, a little necklace thingy. Very sweet. So if you don't want to commit to a larger doll, this one is for you. And even simpler is this one. It does require some color changes through making this, but it's very, very nice. Little ruffles, adorable. Little Princess Pocahontas. And another one, very sweet. And they're twins. This is more of a vintage one. It includes a nice horse, a sweet horse. A little man and woman. Beautiful. I like the details, especially of the moccasins. Very nice. This is a more minimalistic Native American look. Very nice, very subdued. Very sweet. And this one is a little bit more elaborate. I like the little ruffles on the shoes, and the feather is very nice touch. Here's a sweet mother and daughter one. Ah, this is maybe slightly edging towards the non-PC side of the Native American crochet dolls, but it is quite adorable. This little penguin Indian. And not Indian from India, but Indian as a Native American. Again, I apologize for the non-PC terms used perhaps in this video. Beautiful, gorgeous dress though. Princess worthy, I'd say. This one is very sweet as well. I love the colored feathers there, and the color scheme is very nice as well. Beautiful, beautifully executed, wonderfully done. Cute, but slightly less PC is this Native American inspired panda. Look at his little pants. Adorable. And he has such a sweet face. You forgive him for not being PC, very PC. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a mom with her baby. This is a side view just to show you the colors scheme of her dress and the little baby and mommy in front. Absolutely beautiful. This one has gorgeous spunky hair. I love it. I love it. I decided to make this video, here's the mom and child again, because I really think that the Native American side of Thanksgiving should not be underestimated, and that's why I made this video. I hope you like it, and there's more to come. Don't go away yet. I'm just clicking through. Uh, Ignore the penguin in the corner there. Oh, here I think this is. Oh, this is the Barbie that we had first, but that's sort of out of place. Native American. I think this is sort of a standard doll size. I'm not sure. We don't really have them in Europe. I don't think so. Well, I'm not into dolls anyway. I don't think we have them in Europe, but you can make all sorts of outfits for them apparently. Also a Native American headdress and super snazzy pants. Adorable little Cabbage Patch and a sweet, sweet angel. I love this Amour Fou is one of my favorite designers. I love the clean lines and the well, the great shapes. You see this head is not round, it's sort of oval. And I love the shape of the neck as well. It's just there's a very elegant, clean look to these patterns, and this little Native American girl is not an exception. It's very sweet as well. You can of course choose different colors. I would perhaps not choose blue and pink as much as more maybe of a full color theme. I don't know. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful beadwork, nice details in the dress, and look at those earrings. They're adorable. Very nice. And a little, I suppose, Native American hare or rabbit. Very sweet. And her little doggy friend. Now, it's quite big. I mean, compared to the baby beside it, it's very nice. We had this one before, Nina, the Native American. And this is her butt. Another sweet little rabbit. I think we had this one before as well, but it's very sweet. And another rabbit. There's something about the tribal look on the rabbits that is just adorable. Look at this little ruffles on the little feet. Adorable. That's very sweet. Oh, there's a lot of photos of this one. A beautiful teepee wigwam. I'm not sure what to call this, but it's beautiful. And it fits your Barbie, should you choose to do that. With the buffalo and the stars, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a lot of embroidery work, but you do get something in the end. Well, this one just makes me smile. This is it has beautiful details. It has fantastic hands and arms. Look at this, for sort of a Popeye arm look there. Beautiful amulet there. Very nice and detailed crochet pattern there. Now this one, look, I love the fierce look in his eyes. Don't mess with me, man. I'm a Native American. I love the axe as well. Very nice details. Look at how the axe is made. It's very, I love that. That's very good. So this one is ready to rumble. Very sweet little Native American girl there with a dream catcher on her dress. Oh, and a little, oh, it's not a girl, it's a mama. Or it's a little big sister and little brother sister type situation. A little papoose with a sweet little kid in there. Mother, it's a mother, okay. But they are cute. They are very, very cute. Very serene looking pattern there. Well, that's it for the Native American / Indian crochet patterns. Are you busy for Thanksgiving yet? I hope you are. Happy crocheting.